So yeah, hi everyone. So this is going to be our Kubernetes session where we will be talking about briefly about Kubernetes, and we will understand the different core concepts of the Kubernetes, that how actually Kubernetes has evolved and how it all, what are the different components in the Kubernetes, why is it actually useful, or what was even the need of the Kubernetes. So, before we start and things, right, this particular course, right, is very, or this particular, I would say, the technology, or you say the compo tool, a DevOps tool, right, which basically requires, the some of the prerequisites, like you should be comfortable with Docker, you should know, you should have, the AWS account if you are going to install it on AWS, or otherwise you should have, like, your personal laptop with Windows or a Mac or a Linux installed, so that you can set up the clusters for the Kubernetes locally. And you should have some knowledge of the, how to write the YAML based code and other things. So these are some of the prerequisites, which this particular like technology, the Kubernetes, requires. Now, there are certain fun facts, about the Kubernetes. Now, when we talk about the fun facts, right, they are like just the few things, which we see, right? We always see that Kubernetes symbol is a symbol, like a ship wheel. So if you have ever got a chance to go on a ship, right? And if you see that, the ship driver, so he will continuously rotate like this thing. So he will keep on steering a ship. So basically the Kubernetes, that comes from that Greek word, which means the helm. And like the in terms of a sail or the ship, like it's like a nautical or a sailing term basically. And that wheel of a ship, right, that is called as a helm actually. And so from there actually they derived that Kubernetes logo. Now this has a the seven spokes, if you see, you know so I'll just okay. So if you see this here, the one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So these has these seven spokes, right? Which has like the because it is like loosely coupled, and the one of the very important part is, right, that Kubernetes, it was a project of the Google, right? So Kubernetes was always since starting, this was a project which came from the Google. And there is a tool in the Google known as Borg, BORG. So they were working on some internal project on that for their own, I would say, research, their own experiments and other things. But later they realized, that this is something which they can, release it as a open source and as to contribute to the community. So with that, they basically released this, and they have basically named this, after with the 7 of 9 with the board's drone. Now there's also one thing with this, right? If you have ever uh so this is like, this logo is also related, or this Borge world is related to one of our American movie also. So I'll tell you, right, that how is it related to that.